Did you know a cobra's famous hood isn't a permanent feature? It's a terrifying illusion. When the cobra is relaxed, it looks like a normal snake. But when it feels threatened, it uses special muscles in its neck to flex and spread its elongated ribs. This action stretches the loose skin, creating the iconic, intimidating hood. This hooding makes the snake look much larger and more dangerous than it actually is, serving as a powerful warning to any predator or person to back off immediately. If you respect this amazing warning display, rise up and hit that like button and subscribe.